Well, this owl has gone into the first owl house I built. I'll refer to the first owl house as the first one I built, and I'll refer to the second owl barn as the second one I built. Anyway, it looks like she keeps coming back into this box to tear up the pellets that were left behind from the previous season. And they say that when they start tearing up these pellets that they're actually getting ready to nest, and they use the pellets as nesting. She's got plenty of nesting in there, so maybe it's just an instinct. Anyway, I thought everyone might like to see her tearing these pellets apart.